Good evening, it's 163 Charlie Tango 1059, high ground, static mobile, up on top of the Blorenge mountain, South Wales. Working conditions tonight is the Capo DX5000, and we have the Antron up on the mast with the drive on mount, fully extended, 34 foot. So with a total length of about 50 foot. Pretty difficult to put up, but between the two of us, not a problem. Now the fog coming up here tonight was unbelievable. Travelling at literally 5 miles an hour. You just couldn't see any more than literally 2 meters in front of the car, if that. Struggled tonight, but we were set up. Been putting a few shouts out down there on the old on the Anti-Mary, but no comeback so far. But we'll carry on reading the mail.
We're trying to see if I can copy, mate.
Yeah, I got your forest spot. It's a bit strange here, because usually when you're on, I don't very often hear you. But yeah, I got you £6 this way to Pontypool.
Yeah, I've got a little Satagi sitting on the side as well, right, so I've got a little extra.
Alright, Tom, can you hear me? I doubt you can.
Yeah, got you no problem at all there, Kevin. Radio 5, and you're hitting £8 up to the Blorenge.
You're hitting £8 as well, exactly the same. You on the Quantix, are you?
No, up on the Blorenge, mate. Up on the Blorenge, and over on your side of the water.
Oh right, and you're on £8. You must have a big aerial up there.
Yeah, usual working conditions with the Antron up on the 34-foot mast.
Alright, okay, I won't hold it in. I'll probably chat to you later on. It's pretty early anyway.
Yeah, alright then, Kev. We'll catch you a little bit later on then. Back over to you, Jason.
Yeah, Mark, have you got Kev in the radio there, mate?
Yeah, we'll give it a try there. Maybe a bit of a change in signal there now, Jason, if you could just take note and let me know then. Yeah, Whiskey 1, I'll copy, mate. Any copy? Yeah, I got you. You with Tom, are you? Yeah, he's also up here, but using my own setup there, Kev. I got you £8 and nice Radio 5 there, Kev. Alright, yeah, I'm waiting for my big radio to warm up. I'm on the Harrier at the moment. Yeah, you're down on signal, but that's going to be expected because you're just low power, I expect. But you're £6.5 to me.
I don't normally suffer with this problem, but there you go. That's CB for you.
Yeah, exactly, mate. No problems at all. If you do hear anyone, mate, and you want to give them a shout, just give us a buzz. I've got you on a good signal, so we'll make it happen for you. Okay, I think I heard the dulcet tones in the background of 104. Gary, is that you, mate?
Yeah, Roger, actually. Walk about on the way up to the trip point at Dulcet Dance, mate, if I can point this out.
Just enough to get you in there, Gary. No signal, mate. But yeah, it's radio sort of 3 to 4, but it's enough to make you out there.
Yeah, still walking place, so just got the radio on about, mate.
Yeah, no problems at all. Nice one, mate. Well, you're making the trip across to me, no problem at all. Have you heard anyone else?
Pretty much everyone, but not in a position to join in properly yet, there, Jace, because it's a struggle to put right to the top, mate. So I'll call in when I get you to the top, mate.
Yeah, understood, Gary. No problems at all. Okay.
Just here, you've been the back of the box down this way, so I don't know whether I'm getting back to you, mate. So come back and see.
Okay, don't know if you can hear me, Bob. Got you signal for radio 5, no problem.
Okay, I think that was Mick Papadov 77. Like I say, he's just in the back of the box to me, so I'm not sure whether I can quite hold a two-way with him as yet, so if anybody else could tell me your relay.
Yeah, my mic's not very good. We'll go for Mick though, Papadov 77. I think he's got a bit of noise, so we'll give it a go. Any copy on Gary, 104, can I go Nick on his back?
Him a lot lately because their sensors adapted.
I've got no issues going on there, Jake. I'll try what happened to the Blorenge. Tom, 1059, any copy on 104, Tom?
Then the six.
Yeah, good evening, Gary. Taking you no problem at all. Super Radio 5, and I think you're £6.
Yeah, that's great there, Tom. Unfortunately, there's another keystone going on. It sounds like South Somerset Devon or something like that. They're talking about stuff, so I'm going to struggle on the weak station. But yeah, it's donking in for me as always there, Tom. I dare say I'll try and shine the torch on the meter next time you see it. I'll give you a poundage, mate, so I reckon it's going to be up around 9 plus 20 there, Tom, back here.
Yeah, roger there, Gary. Use your working conditions, bit extra through the Antron up on the 34-foot mast tonight there, Gary. Static mobile in the Fox Hunter car park, and 009 is parked behind.
Happy days there, mate. Yeah, I got mobile stations on the Mickey 5 actually there. They can be getting a little bit weaker now there, Tom. But yeah, you're between 9 to me, mate, and the radio is absolute top draw, mate, that's it.
Yeah, roger there, Gary. Yeah, I can just about hear those stations on underneath us, but they're only hitting me on a £1, and the audio's not that brilliant. But yeah, like you say, they must be mobile.
Yeah, never mind there, Tom. Never mind, mate. Yeah, well, we'll keep it short, because I'll go through the ones I can hear, and then I'm going to...
Well, I'm not going to blow, but when I go down for a second, I'll probably have a smoke, a pipe of tobacco, and I might just sneak off for a pint later, so that would be colder than your tea. On the video. Okay, Mark 009, you got Andy 30 there, mate? I think Mark's taking a 10-100, so we will come back to him. Okay, Forest Bob, you got anything on 30 there, Leicester?
Yeah, I think I just about got him, Andy 30. Do you copy? This is Forest Bob in the Forest of Dean, mate.
We got your Bob near Cinderford there, we got your Forest Bob, no problem at all, Roger.
That's nice to know, so you're down Leicester, that's good to know, and yeah, we're getting out pretty well tonight then, I think. Thank you very much. How's it all going down your end then?
Down foggy, mate. Very busy on this main road. I pulled onto a lay-by on the top of the hill there, and I got your signal 5 and radio 5, Roger.
That's alright then, yeah, you're coming through to me at around about £4. Your audio's reasonably clear, but there's a little bit of crackle on the background, but otherwise you're not bad at all.
Cheers, Bob. All the best, and I'll put it back to 965. Thank you, mate.
30, that's the one we're listening for there, Andy. Anything on me there? 774, try for you there, Andy.
Yeah, come on, Nick, Mr. Bike Nicker. We got you in the radio, Nick. Signal 5, radio 4, Roger.
Roger, Andy. You're about 3 audio and a 4 signal strength there, so you was actually coming across to us over Bristol there, so let me do the phone job there, Andy.
I'll pick a lot of noise up Jason, I'll pick a lot of noise up mate. Yeah, we had the old radar cut in there, Andy, so if you want to try again for him. No problem, Nick. Sorry, mate, the radar cut you in, mate, on a 728. Yeah, we got you no problem this way, Nick, like I said. Signal 5 and the radio 3, Roger?
Roger, Andy got that there, no problem.
When I've got this end, mate, to be honest with you, lots of weird noises going on, and I tend to get that when the mist comes down.
Times 22:30. The net's come to an end. Fair few in the log tonight. Excellent evening. We're all packed down. The mast is all packed away. The antenna's packed away. All loaded in the car. All rubbish is cleaned up, and we're all ready to go. Thanks for watching. 7 3s, and we'll catch you on the next one.